Hi, let's talk about themes. Themes make it easy to design a beautiful site on Maestro. On the left hand side of your screen is your admin bar. In the admin bar, click the Design tab to open up a modal for design settings. From there, you'll see a collection of pre designed themes with cohesive color palettes. Themes can be configured on each of your pages individually, which means each page can have its own look and feel if you choose. Take a moment to look through the themes available. If you'd like to customize your theme even further, click the three dots on any theme, then click Customize Theme. From there, you'll be able to change the colors, change the font, and even upload your own background image. Visit support.maestro.io for more tips and tricks.